Hello everybody, it's another beautiful day to show you another beautiful home. I'm at 6044 Charles Edward Terrace in Columbia. We're in the Oakland Mills High School District and we're about to go take a look at a 3,300 square foot, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, now on the market for $650,000. Let's go take a look. This home was built in 2002 by Ryland Homes. It's still relatively new. It was very lightly lived in. The owners actually resided in Dubai for 10 of the years that this home has been around. They had a management company that took care of it for him. So it's a 20-year-old home with about 10 years of life in it. No pets, no kids, no smoking. Home's in great shape. When you first walk in, you'll see you've got the open 2-story foyer. And that opens up to the upstairs into the living room area, dining room area. Let's start off with the family room area though, because that is a definite focal point for this one. This is a 2-story family room that looks up to the upstairs. From here, right open into the kitchen area. Nice backyard. Apparently the people that live behind us have never been in their backyard. So you got a lot of privacy back here and a nice deck. Kitchen opens up right into the dining room. 9-foot ceilings throughout this level. And then around to the living room. Taking a walk upstairs. Upstairs we've got 4 nice sized bedrooms. The 5th bedroom is in the lower level, which is a walkout. We'll start in the owner's bedroom here. Nice nook here for any type of artwork or any type of decoration that you'd like to put in there. Double door entry into the owner's. The bathroom features a very large soaking tub. That's a deep tub. Double vanity. There's me. Shower and the water closet area over here. Very nice sized walk-in closet. Very awesome owner's bedroom. Those are cathedral ceilings. It's hard to get a good sense for the scale because we don't have furniture in here, but this is a humongous owner's bedroom. Heading out into the secondary bedrooms. We've got 3 more bedrooms on this level and another full bath. Bedroom here. And another full bathroom. And another bedroom. This is actually a really nice size. This, of all the secondary bedrooms, this one's the size of a small master bedroom. And just a very open feel. You can see from up top, you can look down into the foyer. You can look down into that beautiful family room. Heading down into the lower level, which is fully finished. Actually, before we do that, let's take also a look. There's a coat closet here. And a powder room on the first level, off of the family room. The laundry room, mudroom, which is off of the 2-car garage. Which is a nice sized garage with built-in shelves. So you come in from the garage, you've got a coat closet here where you can put your stuff. Take off your shoes so you don't get the carpet dirty. And then head into the house. Oh, there's that fireplace again. Checking out the lower level. This one's fully finished with a bedroom and a bath and a full walkout. So you can see there the walkout door. This is ideal if you have, you need an in-law suite or you need another bedroom that somebody can actually reside in on a regular basis down here because you're not underground. You've got that full walkout right up into the backyard and you're gonna walk right through. Got a full bathroom down here and then a full bedroom here. There's a closet and a full window. You can see here, this does not feel at all like you're in a basement where you sometimes get that dungeon feel. So this is a true 5-bedroom home, 3.5 bathrooms. Combining the upstairs and downstairs, there's over 3,300 square feet of living space. I'm sure as you can tell at this point, this is a gem. It's in Columbia. You can get to Meriwether Post in 5 minutes. You can get to all of the major thoroughfares very quickly, 95, 175, 29. You're really in an ideal location. Columbia Mall is within a few minutes from here. So it's in a great spot. It's in a desirable location as far as schools go, and it's a wonderful home that has barely been lived in. If you have any questions at all, please feel to give me a shout. My number is 301-385-1524. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.